You're having a time, right? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So now the topic is record level security. Now the topic is record level security. So what is the record level security exactly here? Uh, yeah, guys, just wait. Okay. So see here the record level security here. Okay. Record level security. Okay. Now this is a account. This is object. This is object as an account. Okay. This is object as an account. And in this account, I'm having a records. In this account, I'm having a records. So now this is a two users. This is a two, one user and second user. User one and user one, and this is a user two. So here, what is the requirement exactly? User one can able to access CO records, like CO in the sense admin records. Okay, and this account record is a admin. Okay, in admin, he having a records in account object, and those records user one can able to access, but user two can't able to access. But we don't want to give record level access to this user two, but we need to give record level access for user one only. User one only. So this is a requirement. Did you got a requirement? Guys, hello, hello, Hemant, Varsha, you're all in mute. I can't able to hear you.
I'm not in mute. I don't know.
Okay, did you got the requirement right?
Sorry, there was a lag, so I just had to leave and join again. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, yes. Did you understand the requirement?
Yeah. Yeah, user one should have a admin level access. User two should not have a admin level record access.
Yes. So now what we need to do exactly here? So in this case, we need to go through with sharing setting. sharing setting. Just click the sharing setting. And here, when we are doing a sharing setting, then we having one option called it as a OWD, organization wide default. What is the first step? Which object we want to give the access to particular user? So what we need to do? We need to first we need to make a private to that object. So this is a account object. We are so what are the requirement? Account records should not able to see that user. If you make as a private, just click OK like this. If you make as a private, right, then every user can't able to see the record as a admin. So this is a records. So these are all the admin records. These are all the admin records here. Okay, these are all the admin records. These users, this records can't able to see every user when we make as a private. This is a first step. When we are doing a record level security, we need to make a private which object we are going to give the access. That object we need to make a private. This is the first step. Just click save it. Just click OK and just click save it. And error message, it's also default external access must be more restrictive equal to default internal. Okay. Then here also we need to make a private. Click OK. Just click save it. Click OK. Okay. So you will get like this notification. So until it should disable, then we need to click a refresh. So whenever giving a record level access to the particular object, and we need to make a private first step. We need to make a private first step in sharing setting. That is the first step. Where we need to make a private in OWD. In sharing setting. So this notification should be disabled until we should have to refresh it. Okay, now it's a refresh clearly. So now we need to log in as a user one. You can able to check. He can't able to see the. He can't able to see this one. What do we say? Records. User one. So this is user two. Yeah, this is user one. But in second permission set, we have removed the access. Right? In the second permission set, we need to give the access as an object. This is account. If I click all accounts, I can't able to see any one of the record as well. Correct? I can't able to see any one of the record. If I click log out from here, okay. So what I will do first, I will go to permission set. Okay, and in this permission set, permission set to object setting. Open the account. Then in this also we should have to give the access, correct? So then only we can able to see the account object. Edit. Click save. Okay. Now go back to sharing setting. Now from starting, I'm showing you from starting itself. Just click edit. Now I will make a private. Okay, you need to understand what we are doing. Okay, everything is a normal. Refresh it. Okay, now it's gone. Now here, what I will do, I will go back to user. Now I will log in the user one first. I will log in the user one. Then here I can able to see the account object now. Okay. Now here, if I click all accounts, can able to see all records. Okay, from here, if I create the record, uh, what is it? What is he? Employee, right? MP, employee one. He's an employee one. Why, why I'm writing here employee one? Because we don't want to confuse this user creating a record. Click save it. Click save it. Now he created one record, correct? Now in account object also he can able to see all accounts. All accounts. Now I will log out from here. I will log out from here. And I will log into user 2. I will log into user 2. Now he is also can able to see all records and whatever the user one employee created, right? That also he can able to access the record. Can able to see employee one. Okay, clear everyone? Guys, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will log out from here first. Now two users can able to access the account records. So what is the requirement here? So what is the requirement? We need to remove the access. First user can able to access and second user can't able to access the records. So first go to sharing setting and click edit. Click edit and make as a private. Make as a private. Just click save it. Just click OK. If you make as a private, right, which object we want to which object we are giving access, which object we are removing access to particular user. First of all, what we need to make as a private. This is the first step in record level security. In record level security, this is the first step. The option should, the notification should disable. Now it's fine. Now if I log in again, user one. Now if I log in again, user one. Now, now any user. Now in this org, how many users are there? Every user can't able to see account records because why means in sharing setting we have click edited. We have done as a private. Now employee one it is the right. Then why it's created? So why it's showing? Because this user is created the record. This user only, right? This user only he created in his database he created his record only because that's why it's showing here. If I click all accounts, so here he can't able to see any records. He can't able to see any records. Correct? Understood everyone?
Yeah.
Now if I log out from user one, now if I log into user two. Now log into user two here. Okay. Now see here, he can't able to see anything. If I click all accounts, he can't able to see. He can able to see only employee one only. Uh, he's a user or what? Okay. So see here, he can able to see employee one. He can able to see employee one means user one what he created, right? User two can able to access his record. If I click, if I given here, what is the username here? Sandbox one. Sandbox one. Click save. Click save. Okay. all accounts. Okay, now click log out. Now click log out. Here go to sharing setting. A small changes I should have to do because okay, this is read only. So here it is here. So what I will do, I will delete this one. I will delete this one. Okay, now user one is created, employee one. Okay, this user is created the record. This user is created the record, and this user also created the record. Now, if I log in this user, right, then he can't able to see user one record as well. User one record as well. Just click all accounts. Can able to see now? No, right? Like every user, who are the user creating the record? Those records they can able to see their self only. Okay. Now user one can't able to see user two record, and user two can't able to see user one record. Clear everyone till now?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now if I click the log out from here, now what is the requirement here exactly? Now user one can able to see admin data. User one can able to see admin data. User two, we don't want to give the access to the user two. This is a requirement. Okay. Now refresh it. Okay. Now go to sharing setting. Go to sharing, and we have done a already private, right, to account object. Now scroll down, and sharing setting. We are having two types of sharing setting here. Like how we can able to share the data. The first is owner based sharing, and second is criteria based sharing. Okay, owner based sharing. Why the owner based sharing here? Like we have created the roles, right? Owner based in the sense role. Like the role must and should involve. If the role is not there, right, we can't able to share the data. Role is must and should. Owner based in the sense role. Like we have created the three roles, right? And that roles we have assigned the users. Based on role only, we can able to share the data. This is the first step, and second step is criteria base. Criteria base. So what is the criteria base here? If I'm having a account object 100 records, in that 100 records, annual revenue is more than 50,000. I'm having 20 records. 20 records I'm having overall annual revenue more than 50,000. Those 20 records only we can able to share share the particular user. That is called it as a criteria base. How many sharing rules we have? How many types of sharing rules? We're having two types of sharing rules here. The first one is owner-based sharing rule, and second one is criteria-based sharing rule, and third one also you can able to say manual sharing as well. Manual sharing as well. Manual sharing as well. Okay, we're having three types. The first one is role-based sharing, and second one is criteria-based sharing, and third one is manual sharing. Now, this is account, correct? If I have go to sharing setting, we don't want to click any edit button. Now what is the requirement? User one can able to access the owner data, in the sense it's a admin data. and user 2 can't able to access. So go to account object, because in the account object only I have click edited above. Click new. Then I need to give a label user 1 access. Okay, user 1 access here. Now see here, you can able to see, right? Owner based sharing and credit area based sharing. And this is a gesture in the sense it is a integration level. It is a integration level basis sharing. It's not required. You're having a two, this owner based sharing and credit area based sharing. Now, who is the owner here? Okay, so scroll down. So user one, he is a user one. He is a user one. Now, what is the role here? Principal. Correct. Principal. Now click owner based sharing. Now account owner by member. Select the user to share with. Like we are sharing to user. Like from where we are sharing from CEO. We are sharing from CEO. Correct. We are sharing from CEO to whom? Principal. We are sharing to principal. Now click save it. Now click save it. Understand, guys? Everyone?
Yeah, but he has we have given this one, but the below it says read only for few things, right?
Yes. See here. When we are doing a read only, okay. So this read only it is a right. We can able to access the records only the read only mode. We can't able to edit it. We can't able to delete the record. We can't able to create the record. Just the records we can able to access read only. If we click the read and write, right, we can able to create the record. We can able to create the record. We can able to edit the record, and we can able to delete the record. If we given as a read and write. So most of the people they will select read only.
Got it. But giving full access.
Yeah.
Okay. Full access also we are giving read only for few things.
Yes, if you are
based on a requirement, I mean.
Based on the requirement, very good. Based on the requirement, we need to give the access level. Okay, now go back to user one.
Yeah.
If I log in the user one, here, now see here, I can able to see all records, for this user one. Correct? Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So see here, if I go back, we are doing something. If I click save, so what's it's don't have the necessary privileged access to edit record, see your administrator for help, because in that sharing setting we have given as a read only. Correct? So that's why it's not showing there. Now log out from this user. Now log in the second user. Let's check whether he's seeing the record or not. This is second user. Log in the second user. All accounts. Can he able to see?
No, whatever he created, he can able to see.
Yes. So now another one is user one. User one can able to access user two records, and user two can't able to access user one record. Okay, got the requirement?
User one can access
user two record. User two can't access user one record. Okay. So now previously what we have done, we have created two records. In this also we have created employee record, and in this user also we have created sandbox record. Clear? Did you remember, right? We have created an employee record in this user, and in this user we have created a sandbox record. if you want to go to account, then you can able to see from here itself, like who is the owner. See here, which is that view all records. See here, employee one, and who is the owner? E John. If I open the record, right, then you can able to see owner of this employee is created the record. Okay, and the second is sandbox. This is sandbox one. If I open, this user is created a second record. Means user one can able to access sandbox record, but sandbox one can't able to access employee record. Clear the requirement?
Yeah.
So now click new again. And from here, user access to, okay, from where? Like we are sharing the record. We are sharing the record. From where we are sharing the record? User. We are sharing from user 2 to user 1. Correct? We are sharing
Correct.
the record from user 2 to user 1, means vehicle maintenance manager to principal. Vehicle maintenance manager to principal. To principal. Okay. Now click save it. Click OK. So until the notification should be removed, we need to refresh it. Okay, it's done. Now go back. Refresh again because okay. Now it's fine. Now see here. Now I will log in the user one first. I need to see which record, user 2 record. I should have to see. The user 2 record name is sandbox. It is logging. Okay. Again, I should have to log in or refresh it first. So whenever you are log in and log out, right, we make sure the page should be refreshed totally. Then only you can able to go next page, guys. Because it will be affect. Again, you need to log out, log in again. Okay. Okay. So now log in the user one. Now for this user one, I should have to see user two record. User two, what he created? He created sandbox. Okay, he created the sandbox. All accounts. Can I able to see? If
Yes, we can able to see.
If I open the record, I can able to see sandbox. This user is created. Now, if I log out from here, okay, now until the page should be refreshed. Okay, refresh it, right? Now click the sandbox user. Now whatever the user one created, right? He can't able to see that the taxes that records. Click all accounts. Can he can able to see any record?
No.
No, right? So this is a record level security. This is a record level security. Clear?
Yeah.
Now log out from here. Now log out from here. Okay. Now see here. Now next is criteria based sharing. Now I will new. Click the new one and user access 3. Okay. Now see here, public group. Okay. Now based on the criteria. See here, we need to select the field. Like, for example, I'm having a annual revenue. Can you able to see annual revenue? ANN. Okay, I can't able to see annual revenue. So what I will do, I will take a rating. Now equals, this is a pick list field. Rating is a pick list field. I want hot records only. I want only hot records on the account object. So which user we should have to see? Now he should have to see only vehicle, this one, loan, sorry,
Loan
loan
vehicle.
management. Where is the loan vehicle management? Okay, vehicle maintenance manager.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have given a credit. What criteria I have given here? If rating is equal to hot, this records only he can able to see. Okay, now click save it. Now click save it. Okay, refresh it. Okay, now go back to user. Now which is the user? He is the user. Sandbox, correct? He is the only, right? Yes, he is the one. Login and all accounts. See here, this two records, only these two records having a rating is equal to hot in all uh, in whole records on the account object. If I open the record, if I click the details, okay, yesterday we have removed the rating field, right? Rating field and annual revenue field, so that's why it's not showing. But in backend it's there. So let's go and back and check whether it's there or not. See, remember the name and IBM and text TETST. IBM and TETST. Log out from here. Log out from here. Okay, it's log out. See here, go back to accounts. Now IBM. Okay, this is one only, I guess. Details. Okay, rating is hot. Okay. Now second record is TET. This one. Details. This is also hot. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
So this is a record level security. Now I will give you today EOD or tomorrow morning. I will give the big task till now what we have covered, and you should have to complete by Monday. And Monday we are going to start automation. Okay. Good night,
Okay.
guys.
Okay. Good night.
Hey Varsha. कैसी है? अच्छी है?